Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, I've got Syed with me from Perth, one of our online students. Very first attempt, 8 each in PT, 87 overall, 88 in listening, a perfect 90 in speaking, 82 in writing, 81 in reading. Congratulations, Syed. Very well done.
Thank you, sir.
Syed, very first thing, first time test taker, I see a lot of students, what they do is they just go for the test. They want to try and see where they stand. You have nailed it in the very first go. What do you think is important for the test? What do we need to focus on to clear it in the first go?
So in my opinion, I think the proper guidance is essential for nailing the test in the first go. In Perth, we have a lot of PTE providers like NAATI and other providers, but I thought of going ahead with Language Academy because I saw a lot of good reviews on the social media and the Facebook and all. So in terms of that, I would say the proper guidance is very essential, and doing the mock tests, doing daily practice is very essential to get that desired score.
See, if we talk about speaking section, you've got a perfect 90. You have not even lost a single point. What special did you do in speaking?
Yes, nothing special, but definitely I got the correct advice from the Zoom classes that Language Academy is doing every 2 hours every day. Each very supportive in the speaking part, and also I followed the strategies and tips and strategies that were given, the format given by Language Academy. And I think all the examinees should remember that in the exam hall it's going to be very different, because there will be like 5 to 6 people sitting beside, and everyone will be speaking. So my strategy was obviously memorizing the templates and doing the vocabularies as guided by Language Academy. Also, I tried to hold the mic as close to my mouth as possible, and I covered it with my hand so that noise from the other examinees don't interfere or interrupt my speaking. So I think that contributed to my speaking points as well.
That's right. That's 100% correct. Another thing I would like to ask you, you have taken a few mock tests on the website. How important are mock tests? How do they prepare you for the test?
Definitely, mock tests are very crucial. I did a few mock tests in AP Uni, but they weren't as interactive as Language Academies, because as soon as I started doing the mock tests in the Language Academy portal, I was getting instant feedback from a trainer or assessor, and they were always like improvement areas I could choose. So doing tests every day till your exam date, at least spending like 2 hours to 3 hours in the Language Academy portal would be very beneficial, because the portal is continuously being updated with the recent changes to the PTE and all. So that was very helpful for me, doing the mock tests on the Language Academy portal.
That's right. That's right. So basically what happened is you get a real exam feel before you go for the test. And when you go for the exam, there are no surprises. You go very smooth, calm, confident, and clear your exam in the very first go.
That's right. Because the portal, I think, in my experience, it has been designed specifically and very simply to match the PTE exam. So whatever I did on the portal, it was exact on the PTE exam. For 1 or 2 things that were different, but most of the exercises, most of the questions, same as the portal. And I also got, like, I would say, 60% common from the portal as well. Yeah,
that's right. That's right. That even gives you a boost and a push, and you're more confident when you go and sit for the test.
Definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Syed, any final piece of advice for students who cannot attend physical classes? They want to go for online classes. What are the do's and don'ts when you study at home? Because obviously you would have studied at home as well. What they should take care of, and how long should they spend every day to prepare when it comes to PT?
Yes, I think obviously attending the classes in the beginning stages of your PTE preparation is very crucial, because if you don't attend the classes and you're just seeing YouTube videos of other people and just trying to attend the exam, you won't have much success. So I would say it's very crucial that you attend the classes, and also practicing vocabularies is very important for the fill in the blank sections in the reading section. I know a lot of people struggle in the reading section because of the fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs. But yeah, like definitely if people practice vocabularies and then attend the reading sections, then they would have a lot more success. And
That's
also, if they if they attend the Zoom classes, which are done by Language Academy, especially Isha ma'am's class, it's very interactive and she's always giving out feedback to a lot. I mean, a lot of people are there in the Zoom class, but always she's trying to give individual feedback. So the class will be very helpful for your preparation. And I would practice each modules, each question at least 20 to 25 times every day to get the desired.
That's 100% correct. You need to make sure you get your base right. You need to make sure you attend the strategy classes, understand how the exam works, what are the loopholes, what are the tricks and shortcuts, then practice on the same. Make sure whenever you take a mock test, you see what mistakes you have done. Make sure you don't repeat the same mistakes in the next mock test. Take mock test, practice to improve, not just to take a mock test or to practice. And make sure you do not repeat the same mistakes. Make a list of spellings and vocabulary, and you will also clear your exam in the very first go. If he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. But make sure you work hard in the right direction under the right guidance. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon.